My name's Luke and I'm a WordPress expert. Today I'm going to talk about something really simple but important. How to choose a domain name. Now, with a domain name, there are three things that you need to remember. It'll be probably your most important choice when it comes to a domain, building a website. Now, what I mean by that is, if you're chasing organic search engine traffic, there are three things you have to do. You have to pick a name that says who you are, what you do, and where you are. So, an example that I'll give is real simple. My business is called EY3. I also, and that domain name's been around since 1996, ey3.com. Cool domain name for back then, didn't really make much difference for SEO. What is different now is I have a couple of other brands, like brisbanewp.com.au. I get far more free traffic for brisbanewp.com.au because it makes sense in terms of Google's current rules. It says who we are, we're WordPress experts. It says where we are, Brisbane, and it says what we do, WordPress. So, if that doesn't make sense, think about it this way. If you run a plumbing business and you're johnsmithandsons.com.au, unless people know who John Smith and Sons are as a business, the chance of you being found on Google organically is reduced a lot. So instead of having johnsmithandsons.com.au, you would be much better off choosing a name like Brisbane North Plumbing Service.com.au, because they're the words people are going to be searching for. You can have a brand name that is different to your domain name. In fact, you can have multiple domain names, but the reality is that multiple domain names doesn't really help a lot for SEO traffic. So, just a simple, quick, easy reminder. Who you are, what you do, and where you are. 2 out of 3 is better than none. And if you've got a brand name, then put the brand name as a logo on the site. But please, if your customers are from Australia, then get a .com.au. If your customers are from overseas, then get a .com. Don't use hyphens, don't use tricky extensions. They are all too hard to promote. The gold standard is the top level domain for your country, in my case Australia, .com.au, and if your customers are everywhere, grab a .com as well. If you'd like more information about this or help registering a domain name, click on the link below. Thanks for watching. Till next time, I'm Luke Elin, WordPress expert.